Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by capturing the exact Chrome error and securing your data. Save any open work and export bookmarks so nothing is lost. Open Task Manager and kill all Chrome. Exe processes to prevent interference. This clears locked files. Next, run Chrome as administrator to see if the error persists. Run as admin reveals permission issues. Once done, take a screenshot or copy the error text. Make sure to keep that for diagnostics and the next steps where you'll repair files and reset settings. You now repair both system and Chrome-specific causes. First, run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix Windows file corruption that can break Chrome. Next, disable all extensions and reset Chrome, //flags to default. Many errors come from experimental features or bad extensions. Clear Chrome's cache and, if needed, create a fresh user profile by renaming the default folder in local app data /Google/Chrome. You finish by performing a clean reinstall and validating the fix. Uninstall Chrome, delete leftover profile folders, then install the current offline Chrome package to avoid updater errors. Sign into your Google account to restore bookmarks and settings. Re-enable extensions one at a time to find troublemakers. If the error remains, inspect firewall/antivirus blocks, flush DNS, ipconfig/flushtons, and test Chrome in a new Windows user account to isolate system-level problems. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, capture logs and use Chrome's net internals for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.